Dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see important multiple choice questions from the unit Life Process for new pattern of SLC exam 2021. Students, let it be more interactive. After I read out each question, pause the video and choose your correct answer and verify with the key answer I have provided. Students, I'll be posting unit wise multiple choice questions for maths and science. Don't miss out any video. Do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends and with your juniors. Now the first question. Each kidney has large number of filtration units called option A nephrons, option B glomerulus, option C renal vein, option D none of the above. Students, now you can choose the correct answer before the key answer comes. The correct answer is option A nephrons. Question 2. The waste products removed from the body and discarded by a process is called option A respiration, option B digestion, option C transportation, option D excretion. Students, now you have few seconds of time to choose your correct answer. The correct answer is option D excretion. Question 3. Hemoglobin is present in option A red blood corpuscles, option B white blood corpuscles, option C plasma, option D none of the above. You have few seconds of time to choose the correct answer. You can take more time by pausing the video. Students, the correct answer is option A red blood corpuscles. Question 4. The kidney is associated with the cup shaped end of a coiled tube called option A glomerulus, option B Bowman's capsule, option C collecting duct, option D none of the above. You have few seconds of time to choose your correct answer. The correct answer is option B Bowman's capsule. Moving to question number 5. The excretory system of human beings includes option A pair of kidneys, option B a pair of ureters, option C a urinary bladder and urethra, option D all the above. Students, pause the video. If you know the answer, choose the correct answer. Otherwise, pause the video and think for the answer. The correct answer is option D all the above. Question 6. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as option A transpiration, option B translocation, option C respiration and option D transportation. Few seconds of time to guess your answers. If you need more time, pause the video. The correct answer is option A transpiration. Question number 7. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called option A transpiration, option B translocation, option C respiration and option D transportation. Few seconds of time to choose your correct answer. The correct answer is option B translocation. Question 8. The vessels which carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body is option A veins, option B arteries, option C septum, option D spines. Students, it is better to make a note of all the questions. It will be easy to revise during exam. Now the correct answer for this question is option B arteries. Question number 9. Plasma transports dash in dissolved form. Option A, nutrients. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogenous wastes. And option D, all the above. Plasma transports nutrients or food, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste. Hence, the correct answer is option D, all the above. Question 10. Following has to be transported by the blood. Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, both options A and B. And option D, none of the above. Students, the blood transports both oxygen and carbon dioxide. Hence, the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 11. What prevents back flow of blood during contraction? Option A, valves in heart. Option B, thick muscular walls of ventricles. Option C, thin walls of atria. And option D, all the above. Students, valves in heart prevents backflow of blood during contraction. Hence, the correct answer is option A, valves in heart. Question number 12. The main function of hemoglobin is option A, reproduction. Option B, to kill harmful bacteria. Option C, transport of oxygen. Option D, to make blood colorless. Students, the main function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. Hence, the correct answer is option C, transport of oxygen. Question number 13. Impure blood from right ventricle goes into the option A, lungs. Option B, heart. Option C, skin. Option D, liver. Impure blood from the right ventricle goes into lungs. Few seconds time to guess your answer. Hence, the correct answer is option A, lungs. Question number 14. The xylem in plants are responsible for. The main function of xylem in plants are option A, transport of amino acid. Option B, transport of food. Option C, transport of oxygen. And option D, transport of water. Few seconds of time to guess your answer. The main function of xylem is to transport of water from the roots. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Question number 15. Blood consists of what fluid medium? Options are lymph. Option B, platelets. Option C, plasma. Option D, all the above. Students, blood consists of fluid called as. Few seconds of time to guess your answer. The correct answer is option C, plasma. Question 16. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. The tube which connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder is option A, urethra. Option B, nephron. Option C, tubule. Option D, ureter. You have few seconds of time to guess the answer. The correct answer is option D, ureter. Now moving to question number 17. Each kidney has large number of filtration units called option A, nephrons. Option B, glomerulus. Option C, renal vein. And option D, none of the above. Each kidney has a large number of filtration units. We call that as A, nephrons. Question 18. Transpiration and dash helps in transport of water in plants. The two process which helps in transport of water in plants is option A, translocation. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, root pressure. Option D, chute pressure. The correct answer among the following is option C, root pressure. Now question 19. The heart has 4 chambers. 2 are called as atria and other 2 are option A, ventricles, option B, septum, option C, vena cava, option D, none of the above. The human heart has 4 chambers. 2 of them are called as atria and other 2 is called as option A, ventricles. Question number 20. Which part of nephron allows selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salts and water into the blood capillaries? Option A, ureter, option B, Bowman's capsule, option C, glomerulus, option D, tubule. Selective reabsorption is done by tubule. Students, thank you for watching the video. Unit-wise MCQs will be uploaded as soon as possible. Do make a note of all these questions in your notebook and read textbook to learn new concepts. Hopefully, you are finding my videos are useful. Thank you.